Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Jordan here, back with another video. Today we have another sneaker unboxing. As you guys can see the box right here. Alright, so here is the box of the day. I copped 2 pairs of these. This pair is right here. The other pair didn't even ship yet. So I got 1 pair from Champs. So I'm going to go ahead, crack this box open. Here we go. Open that up. Crack this open. Try not to cut myself. But the box isn't. Here we go. Nice cut down the middle. There we go. That should be enough. I guess it's not enough. There we go. Then bring it over here. Jeez, this box does not want to open. There we go. Put the knife away. Open it up. Wow, it's not a pair of Jordan 1s today. Go ahead, take these guys out of the box. Toss the box in the back. Nike box. Haven't had one of these boxes in a while. But this is the Air Max 90 Galaxy 2020. They had the pluses and the 270s as well. I think it was the 270s. For this pair, right here, the 90s. 90s are crazy. I was trying to get myself a pair, size 10.5 or 11 for myself, and no luck. But I managed to get this size right here, as you guys can see, a 9.5. And then I also hit, this pair was from Champs, and I also hit on a 7.5 from Foot Action. I'm still waiting to be shipped, and I already sold them on eBay. Crack these guys out. I'm excited to see this. This is like the Jordans I've been getting. I already know what I'm expecting with getting Jordans, but a pair of Air Max 90s that look this crazy in pictures and online and stuff like that. I'm excited to see these in hand. So let's go. Peel the box back, peel the paper back. Woo! Yeah, these are nuts. These are crazy. Bro, I wish I got my own size. 10.5 or 11. I would have kept a pair for myself. But no luck. But here they are, the Galaxy Air Max 90s. They're nice. And they have the hang tag on the other pair, right? Yep. So go ahead. Put the box in the back real quick. Set it up like that. And here they are, the Air Max 90 Galaxy. When I first saw pictures of these, I thought they were customs. Go ahead, get up close for this. So, Galaxy print going up on the upper. Kind of like a mesh kind of material right there. We get up close more of the shoe. Kind of like I said, like a mesh material, Galaxy print. Black. I can't really see the material too well, but it's like a black leatherish material with some kind of like sandpaper kind of feel on there. Like aluminum foil looking swoosh there. Air Max back there. Air Max at the back. I forgot what they call it's like speckles right there. There's a specific name for it on Nike ID or Nike by You, whatever it's called now. White, red, and like teal on the outsole. More of the aluminum on the tongue right there. More Galaxy print on the inside. These are really good Air Max 90 colorway. Here's the shoes side by side. There's also the hang tag as well. It just says SN 2020. So the Supernova Galaxy. The Nike on one side. SN 2020 with a little Nike tag, hang tag right there. Pretty cool. But anyway, guys, Air Max 90 Galaxies, aka the Supernova Pack 2020. Let me know in the comments below if you guys managed to cop these. Like I said, I got this 9.5 coming in, or 9.5 right here, and I got 7.5 on the way. But anyway, guys, that is going to wrap up this video. If you guys did enjoy the video, make sure to go ahead, like the video, subscribe if you aren't already. Like I said, comment down below, did you guys cop? And make sure to check out my Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, gaming channel, resale page, Fizz Kicks, clothing brand Fizz New York. New drop on the way for Fizz New York and a drop live on the site right now. Go shop up. Link will be in the description below. The Dark Summer collection. Got like 5 different items there. Got 3 t-shirts, a pair of sweatpants, and a hoodie. Go check them out. Go shop up. And I'll see you guys all in the next video. That's it. Let me know if you guys cop the Air Max 90 Galaxy 2020, and I will see you guys all in the next video. That's it. Peace. Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Jordan here, back with another video. Today we have another sneaker unboxing. A little bit different setup going on the past few videos. Finally got some batteries for my side light here. I'll just show you guys this real quick. You know, I've had this, I had to use that in the past for a little bit and stopped using it just because I had a different angle, so I had more sunlight coming in. And now I got darker curtains, you guys can see, and I got these lights set up, the color changing lights that like everybody has. Unboxing, got 2 pairs of these. I'm gonna go grab the other shoe box since I already unboxed the first shoe that's in the first half of this video that you guys just saw. So these are the shoes, you guys. This is the 9.5, and here we have the 7.5. So I'm just gonna set these, just pretty much gonna switch these guys out. All right, so now we got all set up. We got this box right here. We got the other shoes in the back. We're gonna go ahead, crack these open. Should be able just to rip right through this. Go ahead, put the knife down without dropping the box. And just, here we go. Should be able to do that. Come on, there we go. It kind of is not working, but it's whatever. But go ahead, crack this open. You guys can see. Wow, this is a small box. Go ahead, toss that down there. Here we go. This is the smallest size I think I've ever gotten in a pair of shoes, like to resell. Obviously, I wore size 7 at one point, or 7.5 at one point. Air Maxes, just the Nike box. Go ahead. You guys already know what they look like. They're right there. We just got the 7.5 instead. Take them out of the box. And here they are. Wow, these are like the size of my hand almost. So these are pretty small. But these are already sold. I've been waiting on them to come in. They took forever to come in. I sold these like the day or day after they released, which is going on 2 weeks ago. So right after this video, I'm going to the shipping place, ship these out, and I sold some other shoes as well. But go ahead. Size 7.5. Let me take the other shoe out of the box. Like that. Close the box. Take the shoe out. Close the box. Put them open here. I'm not going to do a up close of these just because you guys already know what they look like. We got the size 7.5. And the size 9.5. I think that would be a good thumbnail, actually, like that. But anyway, guys, size 7.5, size 9.5. 7.5 is sold, 9.5 is still available. If you guys are interested in 9.5, just DM my resale page, FizzKicks. Again, link will be in the description below. And anyway, guys, hope you guys all enjoy. Make sure my Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, gaming channel, resale page, FizzKicks, Clothing Bear in Fizz, New York. And I will see you guys all in the next video. If you guys did enjoy the video, like the video, subscribe if you aren't already. Comment down below, did you guys cop these or did you pass? And I will see you guys all in the next video. That's it. I can't really give you a peace sign, so peace.